Hi guys and welcome to Top Crypto. In this video we'll be talking about skill labs. If you're interested in gaming, if you're interested in NFT gaming, metaverse gaming, then this project can be for you. We will go through that in the next few minutes, and as usual everything is linked down below in the description. But before we start, this video is not a financial advice, it's only for educational purposes only, and let's get into it. So guys, here we are on Skill Labs. What's this project and what's it all about? Let me first point out this website is not fully functional yet. As you can see here, dashboard is coming soon, NFT is coming soon, and CRM is coming soon, but only the home is working. So what's it all about? It's a one-stop platform for NFT gaming. If you're an interested person in NFT, if you're interested in metaverse gaming, then this project can be for you, summarizing everything you're involved in one place so you can have a holistic overview of everything going around in a very coherent way, in a very organized way as well. So as you can see here, you can join as an investor and you can apply for scholarship. What does it mean? Well, let's go for join as an investor. You will be presented with this pop-up, your name and what you're doing. Okay, I'm an NFT investor, meaning that you can lend your assets to perform for other people to benefit from. Meaning that if you're an NFT game or a metaverse game and you just want to lend a character you've been building for someone else to play with or someone else to benefit from, and then you can earn income or earn interest. And also you can have a real-time game analytics with ROI, meaning that you can monitor in real time what kind of investment returns are coming back to you. And also you have the game agnostic CRM to manage scholars. Of course, here you have to kind of evaluate what kind of investment you want to, or capital you want to invest, or you want to jump in from 0 to 1,000 or from 1,000 to 10,000, or I mean it's incrementally increasing. And then you put your email and your Telegram just for easier communications, and you choose your preferred way of communication. Still, things are getting better here with this platform. This will help you along your journey through the metaverse. What does it mean? As I told you, if you're interested in metaverse gaming, if you play games on the metaverse and you want to benefit from the characters you've built, then you can lend it out to someone. You can get income, regular income from that. And also you can see the metrics, how your character is doing, how your gaming skills are going. That's why it's called Skill Labs. So it's kind of analyzing your skills. So it can point out the points of strengths and weaknesses for you, even in order for you to improve your gaming abilities. As you can see here, there are some big names involved and big games involved: Axie Infinity, Sable, and Terran Arena. And once you get there, Axis Metaverse, and there are some games I'm not really aware of all of them, of course, but you can scroll here and I'm pretty sure everyone has played at least one game of these games on the metaverse, and they own some NFTs related to these games. So you can easily benefit from your NFTs, easily benefit from your characters. And when you go down in the platform here, you can learn more about the tools they're offering. The game's agnostic CRM, it will provide you the necessary data to kind of give you an overview or a glimpse. How are things doing? How's your performance? How is the game API? How is everything doing in the metaverse in real time? So you can have a decisive plan, whether you want to continue, whether you want to improve, whether this game is beneficial for you, whether your character is doing well in comparison to other characters or not. And as you can see here, once you go down, everything is just presented to you in a very nice way, in a very understandable way. You don't have to dig deeper for that. Consider it as a data analyst. You know, everything is just presented to you in a very easy to understand, easy to read way. And then they have also their partners, Polygon, of course, big name, and they have some Axie Metaverse. They also have the GSR, I know GSR, and they also have Infinity Path. Some other names I'm not really aware of, but they have some big names in partnership. So also they have their social media. They have the Discord, Telegram, and Twitter, and Medium. So let's go to their Twitter. As you can see here, the Twitter community is quite big. It's 64,000 followers. They're quite interactive, and they will also drop out some tokens for people who are interactive with their projects, meaning that they are offering over 500,000 SKJ, that's a token, their own token for people. That's valued over 40,000 US dollars, and this will be dropped out on people who are active on the community. So I would say check the links down below, and then you can get involved in the community. You can get involved on what's going on here with this project, and you might actually be a lucky guy and they drop some coins or some tokens on you as well. So once you get informed here more and more on what they're on about, you will grasp the whole idea and you will get more and more interested if you're interested in gaming. So So I would say a request for this whole project, if you're interested in NFT gaming, if you're kind of a gaming enthusiast, if you're a metaverse gaming enthusiast, then this project can be very, very beneficial for you. Something also here I want to point out, that they're encouraging people to get more and more involvement in the cryptocurrency space or in the community space, so that you can gain more and more benefits in the future. Once they finish this dropout, they will be planning for some free NFTs. They will be planning for some free memberships. So you will gain more benefits the more you get involved, the more you get interactive with them. And if you have any questions in mind, you can just simply ask and they will do their best to reply. So the community here is quite nice and everyone is interactive. And as you can see here, they are always posting, regularly posting, consistently posting what they're on about and giving you all the updates necessary to keep you on track and to keep you knowing what's going on and what to expect and when to expect it, so you don't miss anything. Everything, as I said, is linked down below in the description. Feel free to check it out and see you next one. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about Skill Labs. We went through the website, we went through their ambitions, what they're working on, what kind of benefits you can get from getting involved in this project, and also the dropout they are planning for the IDO. So you can get yourself informed. Everything is linked down below in the description. If you found any kind of value from this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and see you next one. Bye bye.